Second to last item, we have the Dish Lex, which is conveniently a dishwasher. We have loaded it with some mugs, some glasses, and Rexy. 2 bands at a time, Mr. Jizer. Definite warping, like this side's higher.
Serious warp.
Right. So we got to 444. It's really just slowly capitulated. So we think, let's maybe give it a big moment. We're going to get 2 sledges and hit it on either side. 3, 2, 1, hit.
That was very well done.
Rexy must be set free, so I've got a katana. I'm going to swing at that. Here we go.
Zero. Hey!
To be honest, I think I actually